Welcome everyone. The first step to access your iPhone photos from the computer, Windows or Mac, is if you have a Windows computer only, you will need to download the iTunes software from this website here. If I forget to put it in the description, you have the link to type there. And you don't want to use the Microsoft Store version because it doesn't have drivers, which the third-party software needs. Instead, you see looking for other versions, click on Windows, and then click on Download iTunes for Windows Now, 64-bit, and once this is downloaded, set it up on the computer. Now, we need to get the iExplorer software, and this is the website here, again if I forget to put it in the description. So we're going to click on Download for the iExplorer. You don't need to download iTunes on Mac, because iTunes is built into Mac, if you're wondering. So once iExplorer has downloaded, we need to set it up. So on the Mac, we drag the app to Applications. On Windows, there will be some on-screen prompts. Just agree to whatever you see. We can now open up the iExplorer. Now we're going to click on Open here. So once the iExplorer has opened, we're going to continue with demo. This is free software to use, not a problem. We now need to connect our iPhone to the computer. So you will need to get your charging cable and then connect the iPhone. Now my iPhone shows up immediately, but most likely you will need to go to the home screen of your iPhone, and there should be a trust message to trust the connection between your iPhone and the computer. Just tap on trust and then follow the instructions, and you may need to, after doing that, unplug and then replug the iPhone, and then you should be able to see this right here. So the next step is we're going to click on Media, and we're going to click on the arrow next to DCIM, and this folder here, 100 Apple, is going to contain all of your photos, all of your videos, okay? And so we're going to select the folder. There may be multiple of these folders, so you may want to just select DCIM, but it really depends. So we're just going to right click the folder with our photos and videos, and you're going to see here export. Click on the export, and this is going to export the folder to your computer, okay? So you can export individual photos if you want by just, selecting them. So I'm going to go to the downloads and I'm going to export. And you can see copying. And for me, it was instant. If you have lots of photos and videos, it will take a longer amount of time. Before we finish the video, it's very important to note that you see some images are in HEIC. This is a file format used by iPhones. Okay, so some pictures will just be in this format. If you're on a Windows computer, you just can't read that format, but on a Mac you can. And so that's just something to note. It's not ideal, but yeah, so if you can't read the file and it's HEIC, that is just the iPhone specific format. But you can see everything was exported, okay? .mov, you may not be able to view on Windows either. Same with .ae. It's very annoying how there's these iPhone specific file types, but you can convert HEIC to JPEG. There may be online solutions for that, so just keep that one in mind. And with that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.